Yahoo Finance provides valuable financial information, news, and resources, but isn't a platform for directly making investments. However, it does offer tools that can guide investment decisions. Here's how to use Yahoo Finance for investment purposes. Research and analysis. Visit Yahoo Finance's website or app and explore various financial sections. It provides data on stocks, market trends, company profiles, financial news, and more. Stock research. Utilize the stock search feature to look up specific companies. Review stock prices, historical data, financial reports, and analysis ratings to make informed decisions. Create watch lists. Sign up for a Yahoo Finance account and create watch lists for tracking stocks you're interested in. This helps you keep tabs on their performance. Use tools. Yahoo Finance provides investment tools such as stock screeners, interactive charts, and stock recommendations. These can aid in assessing potential investments. Stay informed. Yahoo Finance also offers articles, insights, and market news. Staying updated with the latest financial news can help in understanding market movements. Investment execution. Although Yahoo Finance itself doesn't execute trades, you can link your brokerage account to the platform if supported. After conducting thorough research and analysis, you can use your brokerage account to make investments.